Alright. Elite Four time. The culmination of the last, what? 20 hours of streams. Never got this far in a Nuzlocke before, so let's see how it goes. And I do not remember what all of these Elite Four members have. I haven't done any research, so we're just winging it. I believe this one starts with a dugong. That's about the only thing I think I can remember. Oh, classic Pokemon battle music. There's the dugong. Is dugong ice type or is he water type? That may have led my party wrong here. Okay. Let's switch out. Let's switch out to Zapdos. We got lucky in this playthrough. We managed to Ultra Ball catch all three of the birds. Come on. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. His Surf did a lot of damage to us. A Slowbro. Again, Thunder could probably do a decent number on him. Let's stick with Zapdos here. Psychic Water type on the old Slowbro there, I believe. Oh, he's a tank, but he can't withstand the Stab Thunder. Let's go. A Lapras again. We're gonna Thunder. Zapdos may be sweeping this team for us. Don't miss. Ah, missing. An Ice Beam is going to hurt here. An Ice Beam is really going to fucking hurt. Oh! Okay. Okay. Good job we bought some full fucking restores. Well, we've got some Hyper Potions we can use first. Oh, Max Potion will do. Oof, that wasn't even a crit on that Ice Beam, I don't believe. Let's see how much this does. We may have to swap out. We may have to use something else here. Yeah. I mean, a crit on that Ice Beam is gonna demolish us. So, what's the next best option for dealing with Lapras here? Beefy Snorlax. Maybe we can just chip down with the old normal type moves. How much is this gonna do? A lot. But Leftovers is going to mitigate some of that. And we've got the old Rest Sleep Talk combo to go. Ooh, Confuse Ray's nasty. Don't make us kill ourselves. Come on. Come on. Push through. Push through. Shit. Alright. Leftovers pretty much covers the confusion damage. Body Slam. Oof, this is bad news, Bears. Fucking hell, the bad luck we're getting in this whole run through on confusion has been actual fucking garbage. I can't even guarantee we're going to get a rest off here. We're going to have to heal. Let's find the old Hyper Potion. We need to snap out of fucking confusion here. We've literally done... Oh, and a freeze as well. What is this fucking RNG here? What is it? This is nasty. We don't have any, like, freezing heal things. We've got some... Oh, we do have an ice heal. Oh, well, we may as well use it. This Lapras is horrible. Ice Beam, I think, only has 10 PP. So, we can just wait it out, wait for the Ice Beam to be gone. I hate the fact that it's faster than us, too. If we could have got... Oh, don't hurt yourself here. Okay, we got a sleep off. That's good. Now we can sleep talk our way through. Why do I feel like this Lapras has a self-healing move as well? Well, it can't paralyze us because we're already asleep. Still confused? How are we still confused when we're asleep? What is the actual fucking garbage on that? We're no longer confused. If this tries to use rest again... Oh! Wow! This is the worst luck I could possibly have imagined. Can we switch to someone else to deal with this? Gyarados is part flying though. This may not be a wise idea. An instant paralyze. Literally everything that can possibly go wrong is going wrong. And they're gonna confuse us. I'm predicting at least 2 of these next moves we're gonna hurt ourselves. There you go. This will not be double damage, but it won't be nice. This will hurt himself again. Oh, no, we got a Dragon Dance off. Okay. Speed increase is helpful there. We might outspeed now. We're gonna full restore. This paralyzes me, honestly. Like, wow. I'm glad I'm fucking recording this, because nobody's watching my stream right now, and nobody will believe me that this was as unlucky as it's been. Like, fuck me. Thanks for confusing me again. This Lapras is the ultimate troll. Let's do another Dragon Dance here. I think Ice Beam's run out now. We snapped that out of confusion. Now, a double boosted Earthquake may kill this now. Honestly, Confuse Ray, so fucking troll. Oh, paralyzed and can't move. Such a fucking troll. Come on. Look at how I do way more damage to myself. Third time in a row. Honestly, I want this Lapras to actually die. Like, I wish death was real in these games. I want it to be in the fucking ground. Fuck off, Lapras. Oh my god. I hope that was the fucking hardest. Right, we're going to switch to Thunder. Because this will be strong against Cloyster, but we'll have to instantly full restore. If we can hit the Thunder on this. Oh, no, not back. If we can hit the Thunder. Hold on. Oh, that's dire hit is for crits. Sure, there's an item which boosts just your accuracy. X accuracy. Let's try this. I rarely use these items. spikes. I think that only matters if you switch out Pokemon. Come on. Oh, fuck you and your Protect. What a bastard. Yeah, that won't work. Come on. X accuracy. Hit the Thunder. This has got to be a one-hit KO, right? Jinx. Ice Psychic. I don't know if I have anything particularly good against Jinx. Huh. I guess fire. Fire works, but the ice is gonna hurt as we're a bird. Ice Punch. We're gonna get Ice Punched here, I know it. Right, Flamethrower, come on. Oh, screw you with your lovely kisses. Yeah, there's the Ice Punch. Ooh. Do I have X speed? Okay, so let's heal, and then we'll try X speed. And then we'll see if we can outspeed him with Flamethrower. Honestly, I've never put so much thinking power into these fights before. That's fine. Put me to sleep. I don't care. I've got a Pokeflute, bitch. Now let's see if we outspeed now with the Flamethrower. We do outspeed. Come on. Come on. Oh! She's gonna Hyper Potion, isn't she? Surely she's gonna Hyper Potion. Yeah, yeah. Full Restore even. So they got the big bucks. All right. Well, we'll fly this one, and then the Flamethrower should. Holy shit, that did a lot. Damn. Well, we win this. My first ever Elite Four victory, against a single member of the Elite Four in a Nuzlocke. I have literally never done this before. I'm proud of us. We got a pretty banging team, to be fair. All right. That is the wrong way to go. Fly's gonna do fuck all against this dude. Oof, a rock type into Kimberly though. That could hurt. Like a rock move. Oh, you missed. Let's go. Let's just fucking surf the shit out of him. I'm not sure if we one hit with this. We do. Let's go. Level 51. That's impressive. Very impressive. Hitmonchan. See, the problem with Hitmonchan with flight, if I use the birds, is he's gonna have Thunder Punch. I think we should mitigate some of it. He'll have Sky Uppercut as well, so Fly won't actually be that useful. Thief and Rock Slide. Oh, so close! Oh, he's got Rock Tomb as well? Fuck me. He's gonna full restore here, isn't he? paralyze him. Go crit, get the crit, get the crit! No, unfortunately not. Okay. Oh, go away with your rock tomb. Is he gonna full restore again? Oh, my speed fell. He might rock tomb me, he might outspeed. Oh, he's paralyzed, isn't he? Let's go, let's go. Okay, that's good. A champ. Yes, we're gonna change. I'm feeling like an earthquake from Gyarados here. I think this is the play. Gyarados will be resistant to the fighting moves. Come on. Do it. Holy shit, that doesn't do much. Oh, wow. That's fine. Get rid of my speed. Let's cross chop. I hate this move. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. We're gonna do a couple of dragon dances here. Maybe set Gyarados up to sweep the rest of the team. We still outspeed. Oh, it's because speed goes up with dragon dance. Okay. Maybe one more dragon dance. One more dragon dance. I'm feeling it. Let's get crazy. All right. Speed up again, so we should outspeed here for another earthquake. Triple boosted attack on this. Is it enough? Yes, baby. Let's go. Okay, Gyarados is in a real good position now for the rest of this fight. No, I'm not changing. I'm not changing. Oh, he's fast. Okay. I don't think that'll do much. Okay, yeah, that was kind of scary. I think we heal after this. Let's go. Who's his last one? Onyx again. Yes, we're gonna change. We're not gonna change. We're gonna heal, and then we're gonna surf. Surf is gonna wipe this thing out. Double edge. Strong move. All right. Why is he not taking recoil damage from that? That was weird. Is Onyx like immune to recoil damage or something? There we go, guys. Second Elite Four member down. I don't know how well I'm set up for this. Gengar is my favorite Pokemon. I was sad I couldn't get him. I mean, is he gonna outspeed me? He's gonna outspeed me, so let's do some agilities here. We gotta cross our fingers for the confuse rate. We've had such bad luck with the confusion. Come on. Alright, we got through that one. That's a double speed rise. Yeah, so let's flamethrower now. And we snapped out of confusion already. Okay, let's go. Double team. Alright, get out of here, Gengar number 1. Level 52 on Phoenix, let's go. Golbat. Let's bring out Zapdos for this one. All Dragonite did was Sweep Lance. I'm hoping Jinx is going to do that for me. Damn, everyone with the fucking confusion, man. Come on, Thunder. You can get through this. Ah, no. Yes, there we go. Get him out of there. Arbok. What to use into Arbok? If in doubt, bring Snorlax out. Okay. Ooh, Screeches. I don't like that. Let's get paralyzed on him. Come on. Come on. We need some paralyzed. I might have to switch out 2 Screeches. Alright. That's fine, that's fine. Earthquake. This should finish him off. Nice. Gengar. Does Earthquake hit Gengar? We're gonna stay in. We're gonna keep Gyarados in. Gengar has Levitate? Levitate's not in this gen though, is it? Let's Dragon Dance. We don't want him to outspeed us, plus attack Zap, right? There we go. There's the Hypnosis. That doesn't bother me. We got a Pokeflu. No problem. He's going to try Dream Eater. It's going to fail, right? That's what's happening here. Oh, Sludge Bomb. Nasty. Oof. I feel like I want a Hyper Potion. Doesn't have Dream Eater? Okay. That does a lot of damage. I wonder how much PP that's got. Oh, I'm gonna have to full restore as well. Shit. Is that a 5 PP or a 10 PP move? That's what I'm wondering. I'm gonna do it again, yeah. That is half my HP. May have to switch. Shame about the Dragon Dances. Is that a berry? This is not going to kill him, and then they're going to full restore. Yeah. I might actually heal. Yeah. There you go. No, I knew that was going to happen. Ah, okay. Yeah, maybe Gem 1. Oh, fuck off. It's not quite as bad as it was against Gyarados, though. If we use flies, at least he'll waste some PP. Another one. He's definitely done 5 now. So I'm assuming it's at least a 10 PP move. I honestly don't remember if I even named my Pokemon back then. He has had very bad luck with his Hypnoses. Is that the last Pokemon, or is there one left? Haunter. Okay. We'll keep Gyarados out for that. Is this the one where he halves his HP? Yeah, okay. I should better win this, to be fair. Surf might actually kill now. Oh, so close! I mean, look, I can't escape, that's fine. We outspeed, so... Oh, full fucking restore. Screw you. Ah, the Haunter's got Dream Eater. I knew there was Dream Eater somewhere here. Please kill him. There we go. Alright. Here we are. Elite Four, number 4. Let's go. Hello, Lance. I had a bully in school called Lance. He was a horrible kid. So we're gonna beat Lance today for 12-year-old Tom. He has 2 Gyarados, right? I think. Dragon Rage is just straight up 40 damage, right? Yeah. We outspeed Gyarados, nice. This will be like quad effective, right? Yeah, get stuffed, dude. Nice. Aerodactyl. Flying Rock? Jinx? Will Ice be good against him here? We'll try level 58 against 46. Oof. Let's try an Ice Punch and just see what happens. Oh my god, a 1 hit. I was counting on Jinx for this fight. And he got all the fucking boosts. This might be where it ends, guys. Not again. No fucking... What the... Oh my fucking god. We're gonna get swept by a fucking Aerodactyl, guys. Oh. Fuck off with your ancient power, dude, honestly. That's super effective against me. It's a rock type, I guess. Oh. This Lance. And this Aerodactyl has one-shot 2 of my Pokemon. I hope this Ancient Power is only a 5 PP move, because fuck him. Oh, that does fuck all, doesn't it? We've not got much we can do at this point. Oh my god, it's got fucking Hyper Beam. Come on. Nothing is very effective now. I don't know what I can do at this point. I think this run is over, guys. I don't think this affects him. Oh, it does, okay. Fuck, why didn't I do that to start with? Dragonair. So many Hyper Beams. Can't believe all my ice moves are gone. Yeah, that's it. Hurt yourself, bitch. Just hit yourself once. It happened to me so many fucking times. A fucking crit Hyper Beam. Like, fuck off me. Does Earthquake work against them? Surf is a stab. Let's go for it. Wow, that's with 2 Dragon Dances? Fuck off. Got some ethers and elixirs, so it doesn't matter if we run out of PP. Now, Earthquake won't work on Dragonite. I don't think. Oh. I don't remember. I'm going to try it. I didn't think so. Doesn't matter. This will hurt. Like, a lot. So we heal. He recharges. Pray he doesn't do that again. Are we already outspeed? Shit, I didn't need to do that. Okay, outrage. I think that's fine. Oh, it's still fucking hurt. We need to heal again. God damn it. No, outrage does too much damage. We have to switch. I don't think Snorlax is going to be able to do fuck all here, but... Come on, confuse yourself. Now, for once, I would like the AI to hit themselves while they're confused. Just once in this whole goddamn game. But no, of course not. Of fucking course not. And Hyper Beam kills. G fucking G's. It does more to itself with confusion than my surf does. Oh, this fight has been an experience. See if we can confuse it. Again. Oh. We knew it was gonna end. Fuck all. Wait, it's got a berry. Lol. Yay, another Hyper Beam. Let's go. Oh. Well, we win here, but we're going into the champion fight with 2 Pokemon. 2 Pokemon. Oh, hi, Gary, you dickhead. Yes, you're gonna beat me. We have 2 bird Pokemon, okay? That's all we have. Now, admittedly, they should be able to deal with your Venusaur, your Alakazam, your Pidgeot. I've got nothing to deal with your Arcanine. I think your Arcanine is going to destroy me. And your Gyarados. I guess Thunder against your Gyarados. We get really, really lucky. Oh, see, Phoenix is the wrong one to start with against this Pidgeot. Let's just see what the Flamethrower does. Aerial Ace. I mean, that's not bad, but yeah, we need to bring out the Thunder. Oh, not the Sand Attack. We just gotta pray. Pray, guys. We got it. That's 1 down. That's 1 down, guys. Okay. Come on. Rhydon. Well, I mean, we have to change. I don't know how good Phoenix is going to be against a Rhydon. I mean, I'm assuming he's an Earthquake user, which won't affect me. Is he part ground? That doesn't do much. That is not very effective. Oh no! No, that kills us. Oh, Rock Tomb, man. Well, it's all over. Because Zapdos is not going to be able to fly his way through this. Oh, he's got Drill Peck, not Fly. Let's, oh, you can't paralyze him? Okay. And there we go. That probably one-hits me. No, it doesn't. Okay. But we're going to heal. He's going to do it again. We're going to heal. He's going to do it again. I don't see any way out of this. He's got at least 10 PP of that move, right? And if he crits on one, he kills. So we have to keep healing until he does something other than Rock Tomb. Takedown. That does even more? I mean, at least he's hurting himself. We have 6 full restores left. And again, okay, that puts you in the orange. And just don't crit. That's all we ask. Don't fucking crit. We need him to miss. We need him to use a utility move or something. Okay. The thing is, I think next move he probably heals. That takedown does so much damage. Wait. That did hardly anything. And now he fucking full restores? Fuck you, man. That's gonna do nothing. This'll kill. In range. Oh no. Three full restores left and then it's all over, guys. Thanks for hanging with us. Gonna try something crazy. Keeps doing that 2 more times. That won't be enough. I want to try it now. fuck it. Double edge. Oh, we missed a rock tomb, thank fuck. Oh my god, it does nothing! Oh. And that kills. It's gotta. It's gotta be the run over. Yeah. GG's everybody. We came close. We came very fucking close.